So this is the new and approved 2.0 Bristol Bronco. Today I'm going to be having a Nerf one. You're probably wondering, well, who can have a Nerf one? That's just no one there. So I'm going to take my friend. He's gonna just doing a couple of things. I recently just turned 9 June. Just had my party on the 7th, and so yeah, that's bad. I got this from my party. This is the Zombie Strike Hammer Shot. This is the weapon. So my friend, he was with me for a little bit. Then I told him, here, how about since you found all those bullets, go home, get your Nerf gun, come back, and we can have a Nerf one and make a video of it. So, yeah, this is going to be coming. I don't know really when. I'm going to show you his gun. But this is mine. Pretty cool gun. I'll show you. Here's this guy. Pretty cool gun. Here it comes right now. I lost my other green ones, so pretty cool gun. I like it a lot. So here it comes right now. This is Zach Monster. Come over here. Your name isn't Zach Monster.
Dude, I need 2 bullets. I have 3.
So this is his gun. Pretty sweet. If you press, you can actually goes like that, and you can do that. Push it in, and the back comes off.
And guys, look at this. I can take that off
and the top.
and the top, and I can put it back on.
Yeah, my gun doesn't come with anything, so that's the sad part about my gun, but it's pretty good. His gun's pretty cool. We both have really strong guns. You 2 bullets.
No, I have 3.
Oh, you did? Oh, yeah. I think we'll be able to work, dude. I think we'll be able to work out this war. Right, go. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna have a pretty sweet war. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, that's broken.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, where are
I put them in mine. Come on, just. I called the living room.
I go to the kitchen.
So, I get this whole entire living room. There's 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have this black thing, this goggles. He cannot pass these goggles, and I cannot either. The thing is, if he goes up there, I'm allowed to come to the kitchen. If he goes upstairs, I'm allowed to go into there. And so, yeah, it's a really cool thing to do. So, I hope you enjoy this video. So, go ahead and get into your spot. 3, 2, 1. No for nothing. Headshots do count less than the eye. You know, I got shot in the eye last time. Oh God! Did I hit you? No. Oh frick! Frick! I hit you? Oh, no, did I hit you? No, it hit the table. Here, come out. It's alright, I got bullets over here. There's one right there. There's one right there by my shoe. If you, right there by that black shoe right there. I think you'll be able to get without me. Yeah, right there. I have to shoot you. I can't shoot you. Go get it. Go, go, go. There's another bullet. Ah. Another bullet. Over. Come on. Can't shoot me. Can't shoot me. Come on. Can't shoot me. I can't. Man, can't shoot me. You can't hit me. Oh, dang. Dude, my thing and where I don't know what it goes. Okay, so now. There's blow right there, there's blow right there. Ah, jeez, my foot. Oh.
beat you in every one.
No, you haven't.
In the first time. Yeah.
No, that's not true because I beat you a couple times.
3, 2, 1, Nerf for nothing.
No, I get that. We switch sides. 3, 2, 1, no for nothing. I'm gonna win again. Oh gosh.
I have 3.
Fool. Bueno.
I have 4. Wait, no, I don't. I only have 4.
So do I. Go back here. Dang it!
Oh, I win! You first one!
No, doesn't count.
What the crap? I hate you.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I moved it to 3 lines.
Surprise!
Switch sides.
Did you say the F word?
No, I said switch sides.
Sounds like you said the F word before that.
No, I didn't. I didn't say anything bad. Promise I didn't say anything bad because I'm not allowed to. 3, 2, 1, for nothing.
Oh! Oh!
Oh gosh. Jesus.
Ah! Daddy!
No, it didn't hit me. I know, I said dang it. Ah, Jesus. Oh. Where'd that go? Dude, I just lost the bullet.
You said don't. You said you have to keep track of
No,
yourself.
I accidentally shot the ground. I can't find it. This is bad. Guys, this is really bad.
What the heck?
Come on, time. It's the time.
Just for timing.
I know, but you know how we look for that. You can't do that.
What the crap?
What? What the crap? Me? What the crap?
I see it.
Where?
I don't.
Oh my gosh, I'm really bad. Can I take
You
it?
suck at keeping track of stuff.
You're mean.
Time in.
No, I see time.
Oh wait, I have an extra bullet.
Okay.
Here you go. Sucker.
Okay, you're really being mean right now. And resume.
What the crap? What a shiny one.
I don't know which one you are.
Did I hit you?
Yeah. We'll see.
I have 2.
3, 2. Ah! 3, 2, 1, no for nothing.
Wait, what did you say?
No for nothing.
Good.
Run.
Come on, try to shoot me. I'm wide open, bro. Dang, Liz.
Crap. You're for the noob.
Dang it.
literally have to. Jack? Dude! Dude! I'm upstairs. Dude, this gun works. The bullet works. Hey, you have to come down. Why? I didn't say time. You can't, 3, 2. Oh no, time. 1. Time. What? I'm not able to think. 3, 2, 1. No, nothing. Ah!
Okay, peeps. We're gonna explain.
Hey, Pete. I said peeps.
Hey, twerp. Where you go?
Dude, that was really mean. You're being really mean right now.
It's getting hot in here.
I don't freaking care.
I don't have any bullets.
I don't give a crap. Here's a bullet. There. Thank you. Welcome.
I don't give a crap. Ah!
I was just like,
Oh, God. Ah!
thanks.
You're welcome.
There's a bullet right there.
Yeah, I know.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm wide open.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh, woman! Oh, that hit you. No, it didn't.
Dang it.
That thing off.
No. Sorry. Sorry, peeps.
Surprise!
Dude, you hit the camera.
What?
You hit the camera.
Well, I'm sorry, folks.
I'm done with folks. Would you like
Did I
me?
break it?
No. Of course you didn't. I'm kidding. You did break it.
I did?
Yeah. I love you. You're out. Hey, you are. So you're out. I'm kidding. You're not.
You didn't say.
I know. I never said time.
Oh, dude, there's more bullets back here. There's one. I'm out.
Dude, there's tons of bullets actually over here.
I'm out, dude.
I know. I was hoping to shoot some.
Go get it. You're right there. Hey, try to shoot my gun.
No.
Dude, that bullet's like full protection. There's no way I can get you. Okay, I'm going to cover. No, don't get that goal. Right there. That, I'm pointing to it. It's right there.
You're gonna shoot me.
No, I'm not, Zach. Oh, Zach, you really
Shoot you first. I don't have any ammo.
You go get that bullet.
I don't have any ammo, dude.
Yeah, get that bullet. Let you look at it.
Dude, I can't reach it. Darn.
Then get it. There's no time, bro. We're
Dude.
getting a bullet. You have to get it. I'm not going to shoot you.
Sure.
Zach, I am not going to shoot you. I'm telling you to shoot. You're wasting your time. Oh, dang it!
Ow!
Did that hit you?
No.
Oh, dang you. Did you catch it?
No.
Dang you. You should have caught it.
Why? Then I would be out. You're not falling for your little funny jokes.
That joke.
dang it, we don't shoot. Did he hit you? Did I hit you? No. You hate me, don't you? Did I hit you? No, just what? Ah! 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 Did I hit you? No. Barbara, how much you need? No. Yeah, I'm not ready yet. I'm loading. That bounce and hit me. I saw that. Gosh, this is scary. Grenade! There's no grenades. I do have them. Oh, yeah. We sound really weird now. On the counter right now. It's on the counter. Dude, there's like 3 bullets. Time. What? Time. I'm giving you bullets. Oh, thank you. Oh, Dad, you can't take that. That's mine. There you go. Thank you. 3. Continue. No, it didn't go close to me. Whoa. That's you. Dang it. It's your first time winning. Congratulations. It isn't. I'm just joking with you. 3, 2, 1, Nerf. I'm winding you open. You lose. Really, face shots count? Ring one no. Eyes and nose. Eyes don't count, man. Literally, my first shot, my second shot, boom, you're dead. I was like, oh, I'm gonna kill him. Boom. Oh, he's dead. Switch sides. 3, 2, 1, go for the oh gosh! Guys, forget it. Oh, let's pull. Dang it! Whoop! Where'd they go? gosh. Okay. Slow motion. Shoot me. Zach, you have to shoot me.
I don't have the bullet, see?
Dude, I shot one on time.
Yeah, I know, it's there.
And this one on the counter. Okay, 3, 2, 1, resume.
Oh gosh.
It's off?
No, it's not yet. Okay, goodbye, peeps.